There is a question here, what I will try to take, and the book what we're following is a coordinate system. Okay, we are following here coordinate system. So we'll take a question here. So what is the question? Shift the origin to a suitable point so that the equation will not contain a term in y and a constant term. So equation with us, given equation is, what is the given equation to us? That is, what is the given equation to us? That is y square plus 4y plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. Shift the origin to a suitable point. Okay, so that the equation will not contain a term. Will not contain a term. You have to think about it. It's very, very good question again. So we have to shift the origin for this equation. So we have y square plus 4y. What shifting we have to do will not contain a term in y. Okay, not contain a term in y means a big deal. It is means y is equal to 0. And how it is possible? Will not contain a term of in y. It obviously means y is equal to 0. So 8x minus 2 should be there, but the problem is here is again they mentioned that and the constant term should not be there. So shifting the origin to some point, okay, we will think about it a bit. The shifting of origin should be such that, okay, it is a good question. Right now, nothing is coming to our mind at the moment because we have a y square plus 4y plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. This equation is there with us. The problem here is how to shift. So for shifting, we know that, let us say, the complete origin is shifted from 0, 0 to hk. So we say that uh, the new capital X is x minus h and capital Y is y minus k. That we can say. But the problem here is, in that case, the coordinate 0, 0 of the old one is referred to the new r minus h. So we have to shift somehow. And they also don't require the constant term. That is also the confusion. Shift the origin to a suitable point will not contain a term in y. So if it will not contain a term in y, it directly means that y should be 0 and also constant term should be removed. Constant term is equal to minus 2 should not be there. Okay, should not be there. So this is the original thinking right now. Anyone can have, and even I'm also having that thinking here. We have y square plus 4x, 4y plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0. Y term should not be there. It means that y should be 0. In that case only it can, you can say the condition applies. So and minus 2 should not be there. So for minus 2, what you have to do that whenever y is equal to 0, what will happen? It is 8x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 we are getting. So, and minus 2 we don't require. Okay, minus 2 we don't require. So we have to think, I am able to reach till here. That is x is equal to 4 I can reach. What further I can do, that we have to think. I can reach till here. For this particular equation, having two variables, I can say that I have reached till here, means y is equal to 0 I have kept, because that is not required. You don't require any term of y, it means y is equal to 0 will put here, then x will be equal to 4. X is equal to 4 we are getting. The origin can change to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4. So we can say that capital X equal to x minus h. I can say this is HK format and y is equal to the 4 0. I can say the problem here is if I consider x, this capital X is equal to small x minus h. It means that it is x is equal to 4 should be there when y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So y0 h4 can be the shifting. So y0 h4. Okay. So what I can understand from here, it implies that only one thing. So the things are right now very interesting to understand. At y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, shifting will be in the right hand side 4. That is fine. It means that the new coordinates for that will be, you can say, h. So capital X will be equal to x minus 4. Okay, and capital Y will be equal to you can say 0 here, or what? Yeah. This is 0 here, but the problem is minus 2 also we don't require. No? So for minus 2, what we are having, what I have done here, it is 1 by 4. No? So it is not correct. Okay, my mistake. So I can say here that we have got x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so x will be equal to 1 by 4, or capital X will be equal to capital X equal to x minus 1 by 4 uh, minus 1 by 4. Yeah, we can say that. And capital Y will be equal to k is equal to 0 here. So that will be same. Small y, okay, is equal to 0. I can say that. So this I'm getting at the moment. But here the problem is we have to find for constant minus 2 also. Constant minus 2, how can we equate? That we will think. Because set the origin to suitable point so that the equation will not contain a term in y and the constant term. And how to get rid of the constant, that we have to think. Whenever it is 1 by 4, you'll get rid of the constant also. If you're putting 1 by 4 there, and y is this x minus 1 by 4 and y is equal to 0, x minus 1 by 4. So let us see if you are substituting this. It is x plus 1 by 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. Eat x. I think this may be the solution. We'll just have to check it again. Okay. Needs to check it. So let the origin be shifted to hk, that is fine. X is equal to x plus h, okay. Substituting in the equation. For this equation to be free from term y and k is equal to 0. So 3 by 4 and minus 2 is came. It is a bit differently came, okay. We have tried an approach, but our approach was not correct. Suddenly I can't say y is equal to 0. So what I have done is, for the equation directly I've kept y is equal to 0. And I have not got the correct answer. The origin shifted to the point something else. I think I can get 3 by 4, but the problem is minus 2 part that I have not got actually. Okay. So standard way is a bit different, but I can say that shifting 1 by 4, okay, x minus 1 by 4, so that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I can bring, I think, from somewhere 3 by 4 can be these there, but y will be again minus 2 is there, okay. So we'll just erase this, okay. One step with one method we tried, but that doesn't seem to be correct. So let us learn from here. We have to learn from the things. Okay, this is the equation. So we have to let the origin be shifted. Concept I have used the same, but slightly differently you have to use. Let the origin be shifted to h comma k. Then what will happen? Then I can say that capital X is equal to x minus h and capital Y is equal to small y minus k, and further this can be written as small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to y plus k, right? And after this, what I can say, okay, after this, substituting x comma y in original equation. What is the original equation here? Implies that y square plus 4y plus 8x minus 2 is equal to 0, and y we are keeping as y plus k whole square plus 4y plus k plus 8 capital X plus h minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, that is expanded, so it is capital Y square plus k square plus twice of yk, 4y 4k 8x plus 8h minus 2 is equal to 0. And they have given a condition. Okay, they have given a condition. Let us combine it. Y square plus 2y y square I have taken and 4y I have taken. Okay, y square plus 4y I have taken. What else I can take? It doesn't seem like I can take anything else. And plus here it is k square 2yk 4k 8x plus 8h minus 2 is equal to 0. So further y square plus 4y together I can keep. I can also take k common here. This will be k plus k plus so instead of doing this, I can be a bit differently. I can do this. Okay, why? Because we have to equate for y, so y square is fine. Y, if I'm taking common, it will be 4 plus 2k, okay, plus 8x. 8x I have kept separately, and why 8x separately I have kept any specific reason? There is an x term this way, and constant k is a constant here. X is a variable, capital X is a variable here. So k square, okay, k square plus 4k plus 8h minus 2 is equal to 0. As per the given condition, so what they have mentioned is, as given, there should be there should be no terms of capital Y and a constant. Then so we will say that here we will say that 4 plus 2k is equal to 0 and k square plus 4k plus 8h minus 2 is equal to 0, or we can say k is equal to minus 2 implies that k is equal to minus 2, and so implies that I'm right here, implies that minus 2 whole square minus 8 plus 8h is equal to 0 or is equal to 2. This we have got, we are going for the second. So 4 minus 8 plus 8h is equal to 2 implies that, so minus 4 equal to 6, h is equal to 6 by 8 or 3 by 4. So the required origin change what we are thinking of. Therefore, origin is shifted to, so we don't know the current origin of this also, be very clear here. The current origin also we don't know, but origin is shifted to h comma k, that is 3 by 4 comma minus 2 is the answer. Okay, there's a very good question because some learning is there from this particular question. Okay, so we will just try some other questions now. Okay, that's good. There's again a small break will be there.